Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I am so excited that you clicked on today's video because we are going to be doing some fall decorating. This is the part one of my fall decorate with me. We're going to be focusing on the downstairs. Right now I'm taking out some of last year's decor and just seeing what I'm going to use this year and taking that out, laying it out so I can really see it. And then I have some new items from Hobby Lobby and Home Goods, so I'm really excited to get these new pieces up and see what it looks like in my space. So I definitely like to do a quick clean in my space before I start decorating. So I am just gonna wipe down the counters. Pretty simple today. My house was pretty clean, and I am putting away the dishes along with removing some of that non-seasonal decor, that greenery and things like that. Let me know if you have already decorated for fall or if that's not something that you do. You just kind of enjoy these videos. Also say hi so I know that you are here. So when I started buying fall decor this year, my idea was to do more neutrals. That's why I got a lot of like white pumpkins and so on, and like woods and things like that. But once I hit Hobby Lobby and I started looking at all their pretty things, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna stick to adding my orange throughout the house. It's traditional for me. It's just what I've always done. And I just try to focus on more lighter orange. So we have a mix. We also have a mix of burnt orange in there, but I like all the touches of orange. I try to do neutral just because I know that's like a clean look, and I really like that look as well, but I ended up going back to what I know. So this was really fun for me to do, is make these floral arrangements. I had 3 vases, and then I bought quite a bit of floral stems from Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, and I'm also taking back a few that I didn't need. So I'm just kind of messing around with them and figuring out what I like. I already had an idea in my head on what look I was going for all of my arrangements. So it was just kind of putting the idea to life, and that sometimes takes a little bit of time. Let me know if you make your own floral arrangements, or do you just buy them already made?
crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'll be your guiding light.
So I went ahead and added a couple of throw pillows, the throw blanket. We finished the coffee table tray, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you some close-ups of all of the decor around the house.
I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be decorating for fall in my bedroom and throughout the upstairs, so stay tuned for that video. I definitely should have made this part cleaning as well, just so you guys could get a longer video. I'm so sorry for that, but I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see all of you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.